Hello students, welcome all of you to study at home. Today we will discuss use of in and into. There are some rules we have to follow. First, at a point within an area or a space. A country in Asia. Asia is a continent. There are many countries. So, if we are talking about a country, we use preposition in. As India is in Asia, Pakistan is in Asia, Sri Lanka is in Asia. In is here prepositions. The kids were playing in the streets. We use here in because state is a narrow area, narrow space. It is in that drawer. We use here in as a preposition because drawer is a place or area. There we can put something. I read about it in the paper. Paper means here newspaper. I am talking. In preposition is used because in the newspaper is written something. So we use here in. If it is written in any papers, you can say, we say preposition in. But if something is placed on newspaper or any paper, we can't use preposition in, we have to use preposition on. If something is written in the newspaper or any kind of paper, we use preposition in. Something that is enclosed or surrounded by something else or appear to be enclosed or surrounded. She was lying in bed. If we are using bed for lying or sleeping, then we use preposition in. If we are using bed for playing or for sitting, then we have to use preposition on. Sitting in an armchair. There are two kinds of chair, and we are talking about the arm, and somebody is sitting, then it is a surrounded. So we use here in, not on. Sitting in an chair. A boy is sitting in an armchair, you can say. But if chair is without arm, then we can't use preposition in. We have to use preposition on because it is solid and it has no arm. Leave the key in the lock. See here, key is in the lock and it is surrounded. So we use here preposition in. She is in cold winter. Winter is a season and it is duration, so we use preposition in. Into for something. She got in her car and drove off. We are talking here that some lady is in car, a particular car. So we use here preposition in. But for traveling we use always by. She is traveling by the car. During a period of time in 2020, in the 20th century, in March, in spring, autumn, in winter, in summer, in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening. We here use in because all these are showing period of time. But before the night we don't use in general in general way. At night we use, but for particular night we can use in. Wearing something, dressed in their best clothes, the man in the hat, to be in uniform, she was all in black clothes. Because all these are covered a man. Used to show job or profession. He is in the army. Army is a profession, so we use here preposition in. She is in education department. Education department belong to profession, so we use here preposition in. Used to show the language, material, etc. She wrote in pencil, put in writing, I paid in cash, she spoke in a loud voice. Use of into. To a position in or inside. Come into the house. It is showing the moving position. Moving action you can say. Come into the house, it means you are going in some area. And it is surrounded, it is covered. So we say into the house, into the pool or water. It means moving, as in this pic, baby jumped. And it is in moving position you can say. Entering, so we use here into. Baby jumped into water or pool. He threw the water into the fire. We use here preposition in because it is also moving position. A man is here throwing water and water is moving, it is entering into fire, so we use here into as a preposition. Used to show a change in state. The fruit can be made into jam. It means fruits, apple, now it lost its state and come into a new state, jam. So we use here preposition into. Can you translate this passage into Hindi? It means that passage returns in Urdu, English, etc. And we want to change its state, its form, not meaning. So we use here into. Water turns into ice. Water is in liquid state and we change into ice into solid state. So we use here prepositions into. Water turns into ice. Milk turns into curd. Here milk is a liquid position and we change into curd. So here also changing the state, so we use here prepositions into. Use it when you are dividing numbers or multiply. 3 into 24 is 8. 5 into 4 goes 20. I think it is clear to you where we use in and where we use into. Thank you for watching this video.